Gonna have 10 packs, 5 cards per box. Gonna have 3 autos and 2 jerseys, I think. 2017 Illusions. 3 hits, or 5 hits, 10 packs. Pack number 1. Alright. Not sure what the layout's. There's a backwards one. Throw that to the back. I think these are just the base cards. Derek Johnson for the Chiefs. Derek Johnson. Oh, there's actually 2 players. Derek Johnson and Mike Vrabel. Derek Johnson in the front. Mike Vrabel in the back. For the Chiefs. Yep, that's how all these cards are going to be. I got Hunter Henry and Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Kirk Cousins and Theismann for the Redskins. Marvin Jones and Calvin Johnson for the Lions. And the backwards one, dual player, Harrison Strahan. Matching numbers, 92. Got Strahan for the Giants. James Harrison for the Steelers. That one's going to go to the Giants since Strahan's listed first. Matching numbers. Nice looking card. Don't see a numbering on it though. Got acetate finish, not numbered. Michael Strahan and James Harrison goes to the Giants. So there is pack number 1. Still looking for our 5 hits. Looks like there's going to be one of those acetates per pack, maybe. David Johnson, Chris Johnson for the Cardinals. Devontae Adams, Sterling Sharp for the Packers. Robert Kelly, John Riggins for the Redskins. T.Y. Hilton, Reggie Wayne for the Colts. And a Rodney Harrison clear shots for the Patriots. Rodney Harrison for the Patriots clear shots. And again, this one is not numbered. Next pack, still looking for our first hit. Oh, I think there's going to be a hit right there. Got Jordan Matthews and Andre Reed for the Bills. Blake Bortles and Mark Brunell for the Jags. Odell Beckham and Victor Cruz for the Giants. Michael Thomas and Brandon Cooks for the Saints. Kind of a weird pairing there. And our first hit for the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers jersey. Don't see a numbering on this one. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers, not numbered. Jersey card. There's one jersey card now. It's going to be right there. Got a Tom Brady, Steve Grogan for the Patriots. Amir Abdullah, Barry Sanders for the Lions. Danny Woodhead, Priest Holmes for the Ravens. Jay Cutler, Dan Marino for the Dolphins. And hit number 2, auto for the Eagles, Donnell Pumphrey out of 50. Donnell Pumphrey, excuse me, for the Eagles, numbered out of 50. There's our first auto down. Still 2 autos and a jersey left. That's going to be right there. Got a Jamie Collins and Pepper Johnson for the Browns. Navarro Bowman, Ronnie Lott for the Niners. Carson Palmer, Kurt Warner for the Cardinals. And Doug Baldwin, Steve Largent for the Seahawks. And hit 3. Nice patch. Jamal Williams on top, James Conner on bottom. That one will go to the Packers since Jamal Williams is listed first. Numbered out of 100. 2-color patch for the Jamal Williams, 3-color for the James Conner. Jamal Williams and James Conner dual patch out of 100. Goes to the Packers since Jamal Williams is on top. All right, we still got 2 hits left. Should be 2 autos. I think like 6 packs or 5 or 6 packs left. There's a backwards decoy. Not going to be a hit in this one. Matt Forte, Curtis Martin for the Jets. James Harrison, Joe Green for the Steelers. Stephon Diggs and Randy Moss for the Vikings. Dez Bryant, Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. And Jordy Nelson, Illusionist for the Packers. Acetate. Jordy Nelson, not numbered. Decoy. So we do have 4 packs left. Gonna have 2 hits left. And there's an acetate, so I don't think that one's gonna be a hit. Got Pierre Garcon and Jerry Rice for the Niners. Jarrell Casey and Javon Curse for the Titans. Jarrell Casey. Kind of interesting choice for a base card. Trevor Siemian and John Elway for the Broncos. Keenan Allen and Lance Allworth for the Chargers. And the acetate, Jamal Adams for the Jets, rookie. Jamal Adams, rookie for the Jets, not numbered. All right, we got 3 packs left. 2 hits remaining. There's an acetate one. I got a Melvin Gordon and LaDainian Tomlinson base. Alex Smith, Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Drew Brees and Archie Manning for the Saints. Gerald McCoy, Warren Sapp for the Bucks. And the acetate, J.J. Watts, Living Legends for the Texans. J.J. Watt, not numbered. Decoy, still got 2 packs left. Looking for 2 hits, 2 autos. Should be a hit in each of these. Oh, and there's a pack on the bottom too. Should be an auto in this one. And it looks like it's going to be. Got Jadeveon Clowney and Brian Cushing for the Texans. Tyrod Taylor and Jim Kelly for the Bills. Ndamukong Suh and Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. LeGarrette Blount and LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. And hit number 4. Texans, nice Deonta Foreman auto patch or auto jersey for the Texans. Not the right player you're hoping for from 2017, but still a nice one. Auto jersey, Deonta Foreman. I do not see a numbering on this one. Deonta Foreman auto jersey for the Texans, not numbered. Alright, this is the last regular pack, and then there's a huge silver pack at the bottom. So this should have our last auto. Peek, that should be it right there. Got a Luke Kuechly, Kevin Green for the Panthers. Le'Veon Bell, Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Khalil Mack, Howie Long for the Raiders. Larry Fitzgerald and Quan Bolden for the Cardinals. And our last hit is Ryan Switzer for the Cowboys. Auto, numbered out of 50. Nice low numbered. Ryan Switzer for the Cowboys. Kick returner. Rookie auto out of 50. So that's all the regular packs. And then there's this jumbo box topper. Empty box. This huge box topper. Let's see what this one is. Looks like it's an encased card. Encased. Looks like it's just a parallel, but it came encased sealed. Latavius Murray, Adrian Peterson out of 100. Not sure why they decided to encase the parallels, but there is the encased one. Latavius Murray, Adrian Peterson out of 100 for the Vikings. Still sealed.